Hi guys, basically I'm gonna make a vlog and hopefully I get the right amount of footage for me to actually turn this into a vlog. But yeah, basically I'm gonna go see the lights today. Basically in town there's a switch on, so basically they're gonna turn the Christmas tree on, the lights, they're gonna have some fireworks. What they do that every year. So yeah, and this was really last minute because I only found out yesterday that, you know, that this is happening. So yeah, and like first I'm gonna have to go to an appointment for my brother and my daughter just to like check a few things, and then I'm just gonna get to town and also need to buy some Christmas tree decorations because I ordered my Christmas tree today and I'm so excited. I literally, like, I'm so excited. But yeah, yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna get a few Christmas tree decorations and hopefully I get my Christmas tree up tomorrow, but I'm not sure. Also, very exciting, I ordered that really is annoying me. I ordered a ring light, which, oh my god, I've really wanted it for so long. Like, I've wanted it for so long, and today I was just, and I ordered it at midnight because I couldn't sleep, and I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. Yeah, so I want to wait for that to come so I can film the decorate my Christmas tree with me video, because I want to do it in the evening when my daughter is asleep, so I don't have her destroying everything. And obviously I can't do that if I don't have the ring light, because otherwise the light in this room will be like yellow. So I will have to wait for next week, which is really sad because I really want to get it up so like as soon as possible. But you know, and then what else? I mean, that's about it. So need to wait for my Christmas tree, need to decorate it, wait for my ring light. I'm just so excited for the ring light. Like, literally, this is like my Christmas present for me. Yeah, that's about it. So I'm not sure how much I'm gonna vlog when I'm out, because you know the situation, awkward. But I am gonna record once I go see the lights and everything. And apparently they have a real Christmas tree this year, and like last year and I think a few years in a row they have like these. That's just really annoying, it cut me off, I had a phone call. But yeah, a few years in a row they had these like balls, like blue balls, like of a Christmas tree. So it's like a Christmas tree from lights, and it doesn't look really warm. It just looks really, I'm not sure. Like, I really wanted a Christmas tree, like a real one. But as I remember, when they did have a real one, they literally put like 3 balls on it, and that's it. So it looked really bad. So I'm really excited to see what it's like this year, because I haven't been in town and I haven't seen it yet. So we'll see that today. So I'm just gonna record like when the lights go on, if I can wait that long, because I think it's at 7 and it'll be cold. So I mean, we'll see. But yeah, I'll just record like once I'm out, I hope. If not, then I'm not gonna post this because it will just be boring, and I'm sick and tired of just filming me doing nothing. But yeah, alright, I'm just gonna stop talking and I'll catch up with you later. Bye. just got home, and honestly I can't tell you how tired I am, and my hair is wet because the weather outside is horrible, and I just got literally wet. But yeah, I'm so tired. Like, my legs are hurting so bad. Really tired. But anyway, so I bought a few things, and also I went to see the, you know, the switch on, the light switch on. It was really cute, but it was raining, so that just ruined everything. But it was cute. But it was just really, like, there's so many people, and it was just very, like, I just wanted to move, and I couldn't. I had to push the pram, and it was just not a great situation. But yeah, I'm just going to show you what I bought from B&M, because I went there to get some Christmas decorations, and to be honest, I wasn't too impressed because a lot of things were sold out. And I just wanted to get, because I'm doing my Christmas tree this year, just red and silver theme. So I wanted red baubles, but like simple ones, and there was only like glittery ones. And I did find like simple ones, but they're really small. Not too small, but like the medium size, and I wanted like bigger ones. I couldn't find them. But I'm gonna show you the first box. I don't know how I should sit down. I haven't got anywhere to put the camera, so I'm just gonna do like this. So the first is these. They're £3. So they're really cute. There's 20. I mean, I got a 6-foot Christmas tree, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna have enough, but I'll just go back if something. But yeah, these are the red ones. Then I got small red ones, which were £2. There's 24. Then I got silver ones, the small ones, £2. And then I got the silver ones in bigger. I wanted like bigger ones, like just for the bottom, but I couldn't find them. There was, but they were really glittery. Like, I know if my daughter touches them, she would just be like all covered in glitter, so I don't want to get them. And then I bought this. I already opened it because I was just too excited to see it. It's the Face Halo makeup remover. So it looks like this. So my sister said that it was apparently like best thing ever, and I really wanted to try it because I currently like remove my makeup with the, you know, the I can't remember what it's called, but it's like the basically makeup remover. And yeah, and it leaves my skin like really sticky, and I hate it literally. So my sister said that this just literally removes it with water, and it does say that. It says just add water, remove makeup, wash and reuse. So I mean, I'm gonna try it in a minute when I go to the bathroom, take my makeup off, because I just want to get comfortable. I'm so tired. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. I bought in Boots, so £7.50. So I'm gonna see how. I really hope this like works for me. Like, I hope I like it. So we will see. Right, so I'm just sitting on my. So I'm just sitting on my bathroom floor, just because I'm so exhausted. If someone knew how tired I am right now, my head is hurt. My head is hurting. Alright, so let's see how this works. This is very uncomfortable. Sitting on the floor, by the way. Very uncomfortable. But so I got it here. It kind of got wet a bit in the sink, and I've got this little container water. So as I know, I'm not sure if I should, like, how wet does it need to get? Right, I'm just gonna kind of, right, let's see it. I'm really scared because I hate taking my makeup off with water. Like, you know when you jump in the shower and you just wash your face, like, it doesn't take it off. So I'm really, you know, interested. So let's see. I mean, do I hold it? I feel bad because it was so cute and white, clean. You know what? If this actually fully takes my makeup off, I'm gonna be really impressed. Because this is what I used before. And I bought like this milky cleansing water, and it's literally, I hate it because it makes my face so sticky. And I used the normal water. I still don't like it. It makes my face really like weird. Just not for me, but I still used it because I liked, like, it took my makeup off quickly. But you know what? I'm very impressed. This is crazy. Imagine how much money you save it on, because it's just water. Because that water costs like £5 or like £4, I think. Can't remember now. And there's just one time £7.50. Wow, you know what? I'm speechless. My sister was not lying to me. Oh, this is crazy. Hey, so I woke up this morning and I feel so sick. That noise is my washing machine. But oh my god, I feel absolutely shit. Like, I don't know. And the weather is so nice today, but I don't think I'm gonna leave my house. And I feel like my daughter might be getting sick as well, so I'm just gonna stay in, take care of us. Made myself some tea. I'm gonna take paracetamol and my iron, and you know, hopefully that makes me feel better, because right now I just feel horrible. Like, I literally can't explain. Oh, I just spilled that. So I'm just gonna have this. So I'm gonna have that, and hopefully, like, my hair is a mess. I just look a mess. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna vlog anything today. But today my Christmas trees come in. Sorry, I literally can't talk like this. Like, where's my hair? So my Christmas trees come in. I just got a notification. It said it's out for delivery today, so I'm gonna get it anytime today. So also I can't leave my house. So yeah, I really wanted to do the video, you know, decorate. I really just want to decorate my Christmas tree, but I'm pretty sure I won't, because I want to do it in the evening, like when my daughter is asleep. But I need a ring light for that. My ring light is, I think it's coming on Friday. So still got a week. And I still ordered a few things for the for the Christmas tree. So I ordered like a rug to put it on the legs, you know. And then I ordered these little like bows, because yesterday when I was in town, like, there was so many decorations, or there wasn't actually a lot of decorations. I was kind of disappointed. They were kind of like, they were just like really simple, and obviously I liked simple, but I wanted like something more. So I thought I'm just gonna go on eBay, because eBay, you know, like literally you can find anything on eBay. So I just ordered, and they're much cheaper. So I think when today the Christmas tree does come, I think I might just put it up just to see how it looks and get my daughter used to not touching it, because I know she's gonna destroy it. So I'm just gonna put it up, and I think I might like do the lights, and then once I do film the video, I'm just gonna, you know, the trees are gonna be already like up, and the light, I won't have to like have to put the lights around it, because that's just gonna take time. So I'm gonna do that today, and then hopefully I'm gonna film the decoration videos soon. Right, so I just got the Christmas tree delivered. It's there. So the box is actually smaller than I thought it would be. It's a 6-foot Christmas tree, so I'm gonna see what it's like. And I was watching Bad Neighbors. I'm just gonna pause that now. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to get out the box and see what it's like, because I really hope it's good.
Come follow me to a secret place where only the moon can see. Beyond the shores, there is something more, just waiting for you and me. I see that you're yearning for something more. I feel the waves around me shaking me to my core. I can give to you everything you need. We can live on the water. Oh, there's something right about tonight. I come alive inside your eyes. Come follow me to a secret place where only the moon can see. Beyond the shores, there is something more, just waiting for you and me. I see that you're yearning for something more. I feel the waves around me shaking me to my core. I can give to you everything you need. We can live on the water. Oh, there's something right about tonight.
So I'm just doing this now.
I feel completely comfortable missing that party. Okay.
Tree, and it looks so much better than what obviously it looked like when I just put it up. But yeah, I mean, to be honest, it's not, I thought it would be worse than this, and it's not that bad. For the price, like, it's actually pretty good. I feel like it's wonky. But yeah, this is the tree for now. Obviously, when I put decorations and everything, it will look different. But yeah. And it doesn't look as big as I thought as well. Like, I could have got a 7-foot. It doesn't look that big. But yeah, this is what it looks like now. It doesn't look the best, but it definitely looks better than what it did before. And I had to put little like tissue there because it's just really it was wonky, like it was just not nice. So obviously I'm gonna get a white rug for that place, so you know it's gonna be covered and it's gonna look better. And I just put decorations on top just because I wanted to see how it looks.